Hello everyone, myself Chaitali Chaudhary, working in Computer Science and Engineering Department, Government Polytechnic Nagpur. I am here presenting my first assignment, that is a video lecture with respect to Faculty Development Program on Environment and Sustainability, which is a 4-week international FDP organized by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Pune. And today my topic is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the service of delivering different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Rather than keeping files on the hard drive, cloud based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. Applications of cloud computing: storing file line, video making and editing software, file converters. These are the few applications which I have discussed here, but there are too many topics in which cloud computing has a major role. Now, the case study for environmental and sustainability. The cloud not only allows firms to reduce the energy consumption and minimize their environmental impact, it also increases capacity and performance. While the cloud can be a great way to save energy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, as with so many other industries, scale drives efficiency. The cloud is a key feature of IT environmental sustainability. Cloud infrastructure addresses two critical elements of a green IT approach, that is, energy efficiency and resource efficiency. Cloud services make a positive contribution to sustainability. The cloud encourages important clean tech applications like smart grids, and it also encourages consumers to use virtual services such as video streaming to replace resource heavy physical products. The cloud also draws resources to where they are used most efficiently, and its job to tend to be cleaner and safer than those of more traditional industries. The cloud saves energy and provides more efficient supplier management. Another of the cloud's green attributes take the form of dematerializing the economy, which involves reducing the number of physical materials. So here I conclude that by reducing the need for hardware, companies can reduce cost and eliminate the need for maintenance and upgrades. The cloud offers cheaper running cost and more flexibility for businesses hoping to expand. The cloud is ideal for businesses with time sensitive data, and it significantly reduces computing time and expenses. Thank you very much.